Kesorkar jela mentah kata yo kalasem ya karai ban pendam no ya ke soskular balaya soy bat ke company shimet ke ban pentrai ya ke umngat hydel project ke ba penmi boarding ke ba arspa shipho megawatts namar ke jing persya jor jong kipat ba karilum khasi bat chantia bandan ya ke wa umngat.
Ya kini karai jong sorkar jela la pentip do menteri sorkar ubah kemi eketenat boarding James PK Sangma habai keren bat UPCN. Ubeli itu bagi sorkar kelas jong perkat bahai kini kakam kabedai bagi jing penteri ke umngat Hydel project bat mentakan pensangi asyuai kakam kat bakam padon kejing penbet kebeti kena bagi nong syong senong jong katan. Uli itu ru bagi sorkar jela kalap hai kemat ki babun kilat ban penmi boarding elektrik ke jela bakentup nodok ke solar wind bat biomass project ban penmi ya ke renewable energy bat ko umngat project kamde setia ke bah kemat ya ban penteri ya ka la ban ong bakadau ke bala penlong ya ke sorkar ban kenran dien na ke bayat sekmat bat kene ke project ke denmar ke jing persya ajur jong ke joint action committee against umngat hydroelectric project ke bakentup kinong yalam snong kiseng balang kinong rep bat wat ki badan bentah ki kam jong okai perthai namar kan kata ajur ka kamai kaji jongki halor kene ke jingkran u James PK Sangma na kaliang u general secretary ka JSU ba Trey Borlang R Suchen ubulong ru udkhot jong joint action committee ulong ba ke jingkran u James PK Sangma kamlong setia ka basai kumta na kaliang ke joint action committee kan se kendo bane syong perkat bat kan selek kendo u James PK Sangma bandawa bade ban penkut no shi sendon ya kene ke project pen boarding bat ke sorkar jela ka deman ai da ke jing tho ulo ongru ba ke jingkran menteri sorkar kapau kum ba ke sorkar ka don jing temu ban penyat chakmat bat kene ke project pen boarding bat ke basngau thamula kalong ba ka nyau trek unailar arhajar arpho ke sorkar jela kelarai ban penkut no ya ke soskular bat ke JP group ban pen boarding elektrik nawa umngot Nrei ha uyayong ke senam arhajar arphuwei keladon ke public hearing ban sengap ke surpat ba ha ke bedai bat kene ke project.
Very funny that there is stiff opposition to UMGOT because on the ground in terms of movement there is nothing on the part of the government to as I said UMGOT is not something which we have initiated or we are suddenly going to give the go ahead to some companies to start the project. There is nothing, and I don't know where this apprehension has come about from. What is the genesis of that apprehension? But as I said, if, and there's a big if, we are to go ahead with the UMGOT project, we will definitely be taking all the views and reaching out to stakeholders. We will be discussing this matter with them. There may be some fears which are very genuine and some fears which need to be addressed. That we will tackle it when the time comes. But right now, when there is nothing that's moving, I don't know why this apprehension is there that UMGOT is going to go about. Having said that, I think we are facing a lot of shortage in terms of our generation, and we need to ramp up our generation capacity in the state. So maybe from that holistic or the larger point of view of wanting to bring about more generation for our state, maybe people have misread it as UMGOT. But this is not the only project which is there, available to us. We are presently exploring many other renewable projects in terms of solar, and because we have hydro generation which is taking place, we would like to also supplement that with solar, and it's a very symbiotic relationship that will be there with solar and with generation and with hydro and also wind that we are looking at. So all these things we want to combine and bring about a very robust renewable energy foundation for our energy sector in Meghalaya.
Kadon artli ki mining haka imat baga sorkari kelamut hi ban ya chakmat ini ke project ane ban kata kenting tinang wing go ahead ini ke project ane ke basno thomula bar kolong ba kirang ya kerensa ya kata ke MOA ni kata ke MOU bakila sign house name arhajar khat lai dalam baklan aja khat ar kepada bagi ke JP group ke baga sorkar berim ga ada sign MOA ban tai le ban dam ni wa muat pe ke jingkren jong James Sangma manin ka long ba Ukraine thik ya ka tu ka ban scrap ke MOU jong kan ni ka GP group pi phai pat chaka tolong khubor ki kisnam ki baladap ha August nyautrik arjar phau ka sarkar kala syong bar kala rai ban scrap no ya kan ni ka GP group company ka ban dam ya ka te wa muat handrai ka ba gimla ban su tho na liang ka GSC ka long ba balaipat house dem arjar phawai hau benai April kadon par kata bagi ong ka public hearing lada ka sarkar kala scrap ya ni ka company GP group bandam ya kata wa muat ka ba penisha hani ka sarkar kala do ya kata ka bor ni kata ka bor jong ni ki company bantai ya kadam hani pipaj kat kum ka EIA ka penisha hani ka long ba lada ka sarkar kamu bandam ni ka jai project kadai bendan lupa ya kata ki khot ya ka kum ki construction infrastructure ni kita ki private infra project te hani ka peniba imat ka sarkar kam kwa ban kerensai halor ka ni ka jingdam ya ka wa ngot hanre ni liang JC ni kwa ban dong shau James Sangma ka long ba khobor ka basha ka sarkar ka long ba kadem long chisur sidur halor ka statement bat ka wa ngot namar nakaliang ka JC jong ka against ngot hydroelectric project ni la kendu na du UCM hadu deputy CM bat kumjuru ki local MLA ki ba kentup na Mokoro constituency bat na ka Almaram constituency bat nila dawar ka sur ba ka day ban ka sarkar hi ka day ban scrap ini ka project jongka wa muat hande ka statement jong James kan ong pitang kawai ka long ba kan arli ka jimut uang ba la shai la sisngi la da ngi mut nang liang sarkar ngi thmu bandam ya ka te wa muat in khotpat ya baro kini stakeholder ngi pajba ke basong basa hati ka than ban sngau ya kata ka jimut jing perkhat ka jongki halor ban ya chakmat ka te project
Kamu ya kali ka jingkran jong minister kalong ke GSC ka long doubtful.
Ka jingkran jong power minister James Sangma kamlong ka basai bat ngimla ban pediang ya katai ka statement ka jong ha ka jingisha wa dei ban khot ban yakran ka GSC ka tu ngila de ban kendu ki mi khmat ba kumjur UCM ka dei ban don kata ka discussion hajrong kamiet ka ba kan don kata ka jingasu thu leni kata ka jingsngau ya kani ka sur jong kunhun kinong rap na tinipok mo konro bar kumjuru na kini ki elaka darang ke badai sha downstream jo kate kadam ka ba ka jingkwa ka jingthrang jongki ka long ban scrap ban pendu no snong ni ka umot project handrai ka bas ngau thomula ka long ba ya kate ka statement ba James kamlong ka basai bar kamlong ru ka ba punhun ya ka GSC barok kawai na kaliang GSC insa ya song perkhat lang baro haki kunhun ki bofer ki badan ka po jong GSC jong ka against umwat hydroelectric project but in sa one the way ka rai ni kata consensus bihaban kundu yu power minister ada day ban scrap dan ka sarkar day ban scrap ini ka project ka day ru ban ar ka jingtho syakan hun jong ka JSC ba ka day ban pau pa baru bai ka umwat om la ban peteng shu ya ka ni ka project sakmat